The Sunset Hills Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at Sunset Hills, Missouri on September 28, 2025 at 4:46 p.m. Abducted was Zaylin Scholl, white, Faye, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a dark blue 2016 Chevrolet Cruze sedan, 4-door bearing Missouri registration GL1, C0H. Vehicle/suspect last seen eastbound on Missouri 30 from Interstate 270. Suspect is Jacob Robert Putman, a white, male, 30, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 160 pounds and has blue eyes. Last seen wearing unknown clothing. Suspect has multiple facial and neck tattoos. Victim Zaylin Scholl. Last seen wearing no clothing. Description. Suspect approached the mother of the victim asking for assistance with jump-starting his vehicle, then took the mother's vehicle with child still in the back seat. Alert issued for Troop C area. Please call 911 or Sunset Hills Police Department at 314-849-4400 if you have any information pertaining to this alert. This is a cancellation of an Amber Alert that was issued by Sunset Hills Police Department on September 28, 2025 at 4:46 p.m. Abducted was Zaylin Scholl, white, female, age 2. The victim was located safe. The suspect was not located.